Hi guys, and welcome back to Moto Llanishen. So today I want to talk about the Cardiff show. So let's get into it. So I'm out for a bit of a blast. Had to drop something off, so I thought, well, you know, might as well do it. You know, blow the cobwebs off. I've had a week off, so I haven't exactly been up to much on the bike. Been hibernating because it's this time of year. It's one of these things, as much as I am a winter rider, if you don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to go anywhere. So it's been good, but anyway, so on a ride. So I wanted to talk about the Cardiff show. So if you were around last year, you'll know that the bike club that I am a member of, the South Wales Sunbeam Motorcycle Club, has a show in Cardiff, and this year it's on April 7th and 8th. Again, if you're not sure what it's about, big motorbike show, people bring all their bikes, open to all classes, all ages of vehicles. So if you've got a bike in the South Wales region, you want to put it in the show, by all means, links will be in the description, which will take you to where the forums are and all that kind of stuff. And of course, the more the merrier for bikes. We want bikes of all ilks, colours, creeds, and there are awards for various categories, models, and all the rest of it. Obviously, there is quite a big chunk of that on classic bikes, but there is options for things there anyway. But it's a good show, good for the family. There's normally a bit of an auto jumble. I'm sure we're going to have different vendors from all the place come to it as well. It was a great show last year, it was quite busy. I'll link you to the video in the top corner of last year's show. I think it's actually two videos, but it was split out. But it was a good time had by all. We were very lucky last year with the weather. Now I know this year we can't guarantee the weather, but most of it's indoors anyway, so the weather shouldn't stop you and have a bit of enjoyment, and it's great for all the family. I haven't confirmed prices yet, but I'm sure I'll do another update to that in the future. But just obviously book that date in your calendar if you are in South Wales. By all means, come on down and enjoy the festivities. Now, with that in mind, have a bit of a thought, and obviously now I've got two bikes. My Kawasaki is probably going to be in the show for sure, that's just factual. But further to that, other vloggers, and I don't just mean vloggers or whatever, even Facebook groups, I guess, to a point. So it could even include, Glamorgan Bikers Lot, other associated bike clubs. We want to have you all. We want to have you at the show. So I have a thought of, certainly for vloggers specifically, that we could have a bit of a stand. Now obviously it does mean obviously getting your bike down there and all that palaver, and I know transport could be a bitch, but I think we can organise it so it's in a particular hall that you can arrive and wheel your bike in, each day anyway. So but I was thinking just to offer a bit of publicity, certainly to some of the local motovloggers, that we could have a motovlogger stand as such. Early days yet, just kind of planning, so certainly would like to gauge interest, that kind of stuff. By all means, if you want to flog key tags or anything like that, you can do that as well. Not bothered about all that kind of stuff, but I just thought it would be good to give a bit of exposure to some of the local vloggers. So if you are local and want to see that kind of stuff, or be involved, or bring your bike and all that kind of stuff, then that would be good. By all means, get in touch, either in the comment section or all other social media channels and things. So yeah, I just wanted to float that idea, see what you think. It was a really good show last year. I know Tin Man and Drag popped in. Whether or not they would want to put bikes in, I think Tin Man's already working, so he's already out. But by all means, get in touch. but as far as, you know, just the show in general, you know, it will be a great show. I think it's the biggest in Wales. It's been going for years and years. It's quite popular now. I am aware that there's mumblings of bookings of guests and things, but I'll confirm that later once it's all signed, sealed and delivered. But it should be a good day, so hopefully see you there. I'll probably film it again, and let me know if you're interested, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.